Hi friends, this is Pete. I'm radio call sign is K7PP. We're at the car show today, having a good time. It looks like there's about 4 city blocks, wall-to-wall cars, wall-to-wall people, wall-to-wall food. And what am I doing here sitting in the van? Well, we supply music and we supply PA systems for the activities here. You'll see some speakers out there, and all of these speakers, and there's like 12 of them, are all wireless. I've put together a system where everything is self-contained, battery operated, and you just walk up, set up a tripod, put the speaker on it, and walk away. And we have everything controlled from one central point. And one central point is here in my van, and I have a little kind of a homemade operation here. Everything is on a USB drive, got about 7,000 songs on it, and we play the music, and we've got a wireless microphone system, and we've got a modified FM transmitter that puts us on a frequency that allows us to use part 15. The range is very limited, as you might understand. We have it set up so that we transmit no more than 250 microvolts per meter at 3 meters, and certified that by an FCC commercial licensee, me. And you know, it works out really well. Total range is maybe 900 feet, and that's about it. We've modified the receivers to include a little preamp. FCC doesn't care if you have preamp in your receiver or not, and we've been able to increase the range another couple of hundred feet with the preamp and the receiver. So anyway, that's what we're doing today. We're also equipped with a BMI license, event promoter license, that allows us to legally play copyright material in a public venue. So we got all our bases covered. And we use this event and about a dozen like it, so that we can make money for the local cardiac rehab hospital, and we raise money this way, and have been able to replace all of their aging equipment. Figure that we're all going to be using it sooner or later. So anyway, we're having a good time, and wish you could be here. We're just getting ready to go over to have a chili dog. I'm going to pay for it later. Anyway, good afternoon, and best regards to everybody from the streets of Aberdeen, Washington. Pete, K7PP.